Heat 1/4 cup of sugar till it caramelizes, like this. Add the caramelized sugar in the greased mold and keep it aside. The caramel should harden immediately, and that's how it's supposed to be. Then add 1.5 cup of milk in the same container that you used to caramelize the sugar before. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and bring it to a boil. Then take 3 spoons of custard powder and dilute it with little milk. If you do not have custard powder, then you can use 3 spoons of corn flour with 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence, or any other essence for that matter. Mix it well. Grind 2 slices of bread in a mixie. Now add the custard mix in the boiling milk and stir vigorously, and then add breadcrumbs. Again stir it vigorously so no lumps are formed. The consistency should be exactly like this. Add this mixture to the mold. Then cover it with a foil or a metal plate. Take a steamer or a kadhai, add water, then place this mold inside it, then cover it up and let it steam. Take it out after 10 minutes and then let it cool down for 20 minutes. After this, keep it in the fridge for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out from the fridge and check. Nice, it's not mushy or watery. Carefully remove the pudding from the mold, like this.
Oh wow, that's awesome, man.
Looks decent. Now let's cut a slice and see. And perfect caramel bread pudding is ready.